to the Propriety, pure real estate magazine in the India, and the Propriety.com, one of the India's pure real estate covering online portal. Once again, we are with another one builder in the Saurashtra Vibrant Property Exhibition, Mr. Amit Tramadia from the Shamal Group. Welcome to Amit ji in the Propriety.com. Mr. Amit, tell me something about your group and about your projects.
We are in the business since 1994, and we have nurtured our brands Shyamal and Shilpan. We have both brands, Shyamal and Shilpan, and we are doing business in real estate as a builder. We have
How many projects did you do till date?
yeah, we have done so many projects. Say most of our residential projects, some commercial projects are also there, and more than 16 lakhs square feet we have done still.
Till date.
Yeah.
More you consider in the residential.
Yeah, more
Tell me
with-
something about your current projects.
Current projects, current we have two projects we have displayed over here. That is Shyamal Skylife. There we have 200 flats,
Okay.
and in Shilpan Onyx, which is about 364
Where these
flats.
both projects are located?
Both are in the different direction. One is near University Road, and the other one is on Kalava Road.
What ticket size you are providing here? The rates and everything?
Sizes are both have different ranges. One is from 2 BHK to 3 BHK, and range is around 30 to 50 lakhs. And the other one is 3 and 4 BHK project. This is Shilpan Onyx, and it is around 60 to 1.5.
So you covering 60 to 1 CR of product range.
Yes.
So tell me about your views about the real estate market in Saurashtra and precisely in Rajkot.
As per my view, after the Diwali, I have seen correction in market. It is positive, quite positive, and yes, it is for actual buyers. We have actual buyers over in our projects, and since the Diwali, we have seen that actual buyer is in the market.
Great.
Yeah, that is good.
What do you expect from your local, state and national body as a government to help people in the builder to encourage more towards the real estate business to be very fluent?
There are a number of things government can do. The first one is, they have just introduced a DP over in Rajkot, and but it should be fast. The process is very slow. Regarding TPs also, process is very slow. It should be fastened so that and infrastructure also should be fast, so that जो हमें जो मिल रहा है, जो इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर जो मिल रहा है, जहाँ पे डेवलपमेंट हो रहा है, राजकोट में खास करके ये हो रहा है कि जहाँ पे हमारा डेवलपमेंट शुरू हो जाता है, गवर्नमेंट बाद में आती है.
मतलब infrastructure is not ready.
हाँ, infrastructure is not ready for us. That is the main lacking, and that is the problem with us.
So it is now general, I think, whatever the interview I taken here in the builders, everybody is asking that Rajkot government, we expect from the municipality to be infrastructure variable on fast to be ready where the projects are lying. Right. And as I told, we are in the magazine, the online portal. Tell me something about view of this type of media entering in the real estate market very fluently.
ये इस तरह का जो मीडिया है, उसकी वजह से समझिए कि हम लोग ग्लोबल हो गए.
Okay.
क्योंकि ये सब होने के बाद पहले क्या था कि हमारा रिलेशन और लोकल पब्लिक जो हमारी ब्रांड को समझती थी, जो जानते थे, वो हमारे परचेजर थे. जबकि ये अब ये हो गया, कभी अमेरिका से कस्टमर आता है, कभी लंदन से आता है, कभी ऑस्ट्रेलिया से फ़ोन आता है कि हमें आपके वहाँ प्रॉपर्टी लेनी है. तो इट्स गुड.
Thank you very much, Mr. Amit ji, for giving an interview to the Propriety. Thank you very much.